Spherical conductor of radius A carries a charge Q and is enclosed in a linear dielectric material of susceptibility. We have to find the right susceptibility psi E out to the radius B, the energy of the configuration. So here let's write down what are the parameters given. The radius of the conductor is given as A, and the charge is uh, Q, capital Q, and the dielectric material has susceptibility is equal to psi E. Similarly, the outer radius is B. Then the relation between the permittivity and the dielectric of the material. So epsilon, the relative permittivity, is equal to epsilon naught into 1 plus psi E. Sorry, it's not the relative permittivity, this is the permittivity of the medium, equal to epsilon times 1 plus psi E will be the relative permittivity with respect to the air. So now the electric field outside can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by R square, and this R value is ranging from A less than or equal to R less than or equal to B. This is E outside the conducting sphere. So if we have this conducting sphere like this, and over which we have the dielectric medium, this is also having some thickness. Alright, so from here to here you have A, and to the outer radius you have B, and this is the space where it is filled with the dielectric medium, that is equal to epsilon. So we have to find out the energy. So that's energy is given by half epsilon E squared. So half epsilon E square is the energy. So let's find the energy. So half epsilon E squared, that's the energy. Now what is E? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q divided by R square, and let's substitute. So half epsilon into E square is 1 by 4 pi epsilon squared into Q square divided by R to the power 4. So this is 1 by 2 epsilon 1 by 16 pi square epsilon square Q square divided by R power 4. So that's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 16 1 by pi square into 1 by epsilon into Q square divided by R power 4. Now the limits are from A to B. Let's find out the energy. So the total energy is equal to let's write U, that's equal to integral from A to B U of R, let's take this, into 4 pi R square dr. So that's equal to integral from a to b 1 divided by 32 pi square epsilon into q square divided by r power 4 into 4 pi r square dr. So integral from a to b, let's cancel out what are the possible things to cancel. uh, Pi and 1 pi here, r square and here r square, 4, and this is will be 8 times. So now what's left is 1 divided by 8 pi epsilon, h pi epsilon, or q square divided by 8 pi epsilon into 1 by r square dr. So that's equal to q square by 8 pi epsilon into 1 by r is minus 1 by r. 1 by r square dr integral is minus 1 by r, and that's from a to b. So q square divided by 8 pi epsilon can be written as epsilon naught into 1 plus psi e into, since it is minus, lower limit can be written first, 1 by a minus 1 by b is the answer. So according to the question, probable answer is 3, but there should be a minus sign here instead of plus sign.